Hey everybody, doing some engraving today. Finally getting around to it. I know you guys have been messaging me, PMing me, calling me, hey Dustin, when are you going to start engraving? Well, got the program written out, just changing some fonts, changing some sizes, so that way I have something like a sample piece for when you guys come to look at. That way you can pick your font size, etc., etc. So here we go. Everybody, here it is. Now the first thing that's going to pop out is how that 2A for days is double line and everything else is single line. So you can tell that all this is done at the same height, which is 0.15, but you get a different length. You know, like for 2A for days, 2A for days, different fonts give you different overall lengths of text. But this is very cool. I mean, this took 15 minutes to do, but I hope I can start sharing more. I love sharing what I'm doing with my machine since I've got it. I've done the 80% lower. I've got to finish here, and I want to engrave a logo here, just not sure yet. If you have an idea of something I could do, let me know. Got a lower parts kit coming in to put this together, and I've also got 8 more of these coming in just so I can have some fun. But yeah, it's going to be a fun weekend, very, very fun weekend. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Shoot me a message here on Facebook or the forums. And until next time, catch you later. Bye.